wanna celebrate this life forever. I'm living it, not dreaming it. We getting it, black luxury. I wanna celebrate this life forever. I'm living it, not dreaming it. We getting it, black luxury.
My darlings, my family, top of the day, top of the hour, afternoon for me, whatever it is for you. I hope you're having a fabulous day. If you don't know who you're tuned into, you are tuned into the Corinne Chronicles. Now, last week we were showing you some pretty high-end homes in the Westfield neighborhood. I always come like to the little shops in this particular area. They're so cute, chic, trendy, and I always find something new. So I said last week, when I passed this particular shop, that I was going to come in, give you guys like a little tour, give you some history, introduce you to the owners, and then give you a, wait for it, chocolate tour. Everyone loves chocolate, and if you don't, you are an alien, or maybe not an alien, from some crazy planet. But if you don't love chocolate, something's wrong. All right, everyone, this is the famous Doug. He's such a nice guy. Like, famous, nice Doug. Anybody making that much chocolate, my dear, is 100% famous. Doug's gonna give you guys a little. So what are you making now, my dear?
I have milk chocolate covered Krispies, pretzel rods, graham crackers.
Nice. Nice. They all smell fabulous from here. Doug, give us just a little history on the place.
It's Kilwins, the franchise. It's been around since 1947. We've been here for like 5 years now, right?
Yeah, you've been here for a while.
5 years. Yeah, it's just started off just doing actually as a bakery, then went to chocolates. Now the chocolates, fudge, caramel, ice cream, kind of everything you think of.
All right, nice. And this is a pretty successful situation from what I'm hearing.
So far, so good, you know.
You guys made out okay in the pandemic?
It was all right. It was weird, but it, you know.
But you survived it, and that's all that matters.
But we fought through it.
Everyone fought through it, can I tell you? So I'm gonna look around and then I'll get to eating. Because I definitely want some sea salt fudge. Like, that's probably my favorite. Ooh, that looks interesting. Oh my gosh, these are huge. Those are Twinkies, right?
No, those are actually marshmallows.
Oh, are they? Wow. Those apples look amazing. You're already like running out of stuff.
Yeah, it's gonna be a busy next couple days.
It is. It's only quiet today because of the holiday. Really? Oh my gosh, my favorite, peanut butter cups. Let's stroll the tray is what we like to call it. You have got some interesting finds down here. What's your most popular situation?
Oh man, that's a good question. Either the stores, which I just ran out of.
How do you run out of the most famous?
Because some guy just came in and brought 9 of them. I was like, I hate my life. I
Wow.
love my life, but I hate my life. The sea salt twigs, all down there are really, really good.
All right, so I definitely have to have one of those. You mean that down there? Oh wow, yeah, they look good. Definitely take me one out. I'm 100% trying it. Anything with sea salt, you can put my name on. I heard the bark here was pretty good too, but you're like practically.
Yeah, I have these barks. I think one's almond, one is almond.
You have a fresh batch over there you're looking for. And ooh, let's not leave out the ice cream. Caramel ripple. Marshmallow s'mores. Of course, my favorite, fudge brownie. And rum raisin. Oh, this Kilwins bits. So this is just like an overall view of the whole store. I just want to take a look at that. So it's a pretty big situation. So I'll ask you, what do you prefer in here? Besides everything? Oh, this is your first time as well too?
This is my first time.
Oh, what are you trying?
The caramel, the Oreo.
Oh, you're gonna try the caramel there?
First that I left the caramel one.
Oh, nice. And then an Oreo? Which Oreo one are you
That
trying?
one's the mint.
Oh, mint Oreos. I love mint Oreos. I'm gonna have to try that one too. Very nice. You've inspired me. So what are you making in there? The fudge?
This is all chocolate. This is all what we did everything.
Uh-huh.
So it's milk chocolate, dark chocolate, white chocolate.
Nice.
It's right and everything.
So what temperature does it have to be? Just curious.
They rest at like 105. That way they stay like a good consistency, and then every temperature is like, when you want to start dipping, it has to get down to like 90 for dark, 88 for milk, and 91 for white.
Nice. So 91 for white, 88 for this one, for milk, and 90. Nice.
And then it just once it's tempered there, you can start dipping. And it doesn't like turn, it still tastes really good. It's easy. I make it look difficult, but it's easy. If you like sea salt,
Definitely. All
so
right.
it's a good start.
Okay, so we'll just take a little piece, and then it's like that I'm 100% buying. Gotta take down the face mask when we put it on for her. Okay, guys, this is the sea salt. I think it's good, but I think I'll 100% buy the twist because I like pretzel.
Yeah.
So I know that I'm gonna definitely get 2 of the pretzel twists.
Yeah, these are my favorite thing we have.
Yeah, is
Yeah.
2 pushing it? You think?
No, I can have like 12. That's just me.
If I have 1, I'm gonna. You said I have 12.
I really do.
We definitely want to try 2 of those mint Oreos.
The
Just
fudge,
because.
the fudge for me is really good. I just can only have a little bit of fudge like at a time. It's
You
like,
mean the regular fudge?
Yeah, it's
I'm
just
gonna
so-
try a little piece of that too.
It's just so rich. It's really good. I can't do like an overload of fudge.
It'll make you crazy, so let me do. So this is the regular fudge. Let me try. Oh my gosh, that is rich.
It is really rich. You know,
Chocolate overload. It's really good though. Now, what about truffles? I'm a truffle fan.
you like milk or dark chocolate better?
Milk.
The champagne ones are really good. The mocha chocolates are really good. I like caramel, so the caramel's really good. If you're into like almond toffee kind of stuff, the almond toffee crunch is like out of this world.
Really? I mean, could we do like 1 and 1 and 1 and I sit there and I'll try them?
Yeah.
We'll do just like 1. Definitely want that malt truffle, 100%, and the champagne one. Caramel for sure. I'm thinking that we're gonna have to go over to the ice cream and just do a couple samples because the ice cream just looks phenomenal. Oh my god, I'm on a chocolate overload right now. All right, folks, we're going over to the ice cream. So first one, mint chocolate chip. I definitely have to try your mint chocolate chip. Thank you. Mint chocolate chip, my favorite. That's good. What's the second most popular? How's the sea salt caramel? Really? I gotta try it. Oh God, let's do both. Is this for old spoons?
Yeah.
That's good. Oh, hold on 1 minute. How's the caramel ripple?
Pretty good.
Look at the mess I'm creating. On my chest, no. Well, that's the peach.
You are.
I'm gonna come down in a minute. All right, so peach. His favorite. This is your favorite. Delicious. We would take his word for it. That is interesting. That's unique. I don't think I've ever had a peach like that. No. Believe it or not, you gotta go plain some days. Judge a man on his vanilla, that's good. Say bye without me trying this sea salt pretzel that my man Doug has talked me up on. Oh my God. I have to leave now before I buy more. Oh my God. I'm gonna put it down. I didn't bring Kenzie. Just believe me, if I brought her in here, I want a child to go to sleep. So we're gonna take a bite of this. Literally taking a bite of everything. I love mint too. Mint, anything with mint in it. This is really good. I want to walk out of here. I gotta leave. I'm gonna continue to eat up everything. I promote fitness, you know that. But you have to stop and enjoy the flowers in life. And chocolate is one of my flowers, okay? You can work yourself into the grave, but take time to enjoy the good things in life. And chocolate is definitely one of the finer things in life. If you don't know who you are subscribed to, click like, comment, tell me what your thoughts are. Would you eat this much chocolate? Or would you at least try it? Enjoy it. Come here, try it, tell me what you think.